Understanding binding on the court. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the intricacies of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a legal phrase that might sound complex but is crucial in understanding how legal systems work. Binding on the court. Stick around as we break down this term and make it accessible for everyone, regardless of your background in law. Before we delve into the legal jargon, let's start with the basics. The word binding refers to something that imposes a legal obligation or is capable of creating a legal tie. In simpler terms, if something is binding, it means that it must be followed or adhered to. This concept is not just limited to the legal field. It can apply to contracts, promises, or any agreement where parties are expected to honor their commitments. Now, let's talk about the court. The court is an official body that has the authority to adjudicate legal disputes, make judgments, and enforce laws. It plays a critical role in the justice system, ensuring that laws are applied fairly and consistently. Courts can range from local tribunals to the highest court in the land, such as the Supreme Court in the United States. Combining the two concepts, binding on the court refers to any law, precedent, or decision that the court is obligated to follow. This is an essential principle in common law systems, where past judicial decisions, precedents, guide the courts in making future decisions on similar issues. If a precedent is binding, it means the court must apply the same reasoning or ruling in cases that have similar facts. Why is it important? The principle of being binding on the court ensures consistency and predictability in the legal system. It means that individuals and entities can rely on established laws and precedents to understand their rights and obligations. Moreover, it prevents arbitrary decision-making, ensuring that the law, not individual biases, guides judicial decisions. While the concept of being binding is straightforward, there are exceptions and considerations. For instance, higher courts can overrule decisions of lower courts, and in some cases, courts may distinguish a precedent if the facts of the case are significantly different. Additionally, legislative changes can override existing precedents, making them no longer binding. And that wraps up our exploration of the term, binding on the court. We hope this video has shed light on this important legal principle and made it more understandable. Remember, the law is all about ensuring justice and fairness through consistent and predictable rules. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.